This is question number 22, 2020 KCSE Mathematics paper 2, and we are told the systolic blood pressure of 60 patients attending a clinic was recorded as follows. So we have blood pressure, number of patients. So those that rise between 95 and 104, there were 7. 105 to 114, there were 11. 115 to 124, there were 15. 125 to 134, there were 12. 135 to 144, there are 8. 145 to 154, there are 4. 155 to 164, there were 3. Part A of the question: on the grid provided, draw an ogive that represents the above information. So how do you draw an ogive? For us to be able to draw an ogive, we need the frequency cumulative values. So what we do here is we make a table, and this table will consist of the class. So we have the class. Then from there, we have the frequency. From there, we have the cumulative frequency, CF. So the class is from, we have 95 to 104. The frequency is 7. Then we have 105 to 114. The frequency was 11. Then we have 115 to 124. The frequency is 15. Then we have 125 to 134. The frequency is 12. Then we have 135 to 144. The frequency is 8. Then 145 to 154. The frequency is 4. And finally, we have 155 to 164. The frequency is 3. So to get the cumulative frequency, we add up this. So you start with 7. 7 plus 11, you get 18. 18 plus 15, you get 33. 33 plus 12, we get 45. Then we get 53 plus 8, we get 53. Then we get 57. And finally, we have 60. So we can get the sum of the frequency is 60. So with that, we can now draw the ogive. The ogive, we use a row cross boundary. So the row cross boundary for the first one is 94.5. So you come here and say this is 94.5. 94.5. Let's put that correctly. Then we have here, we have the lower class boundary of the second is 104.5. 104. That is 104.5. Then the next one is 114.5. 114.5. 1.14.5. Then we have the next one. The next one is 124.5. 124.5. Then the next one is here. We are going to have 134.5. Then the next one here, we are going to have 144.5. 44.5. Then we have 154.5, 154.5. Then we have 164.5. We have 164.5. Okay, we are going to use a cumulative frequency. So our cumulative frequency, we can start here by 10, then we have 20, then we have 30, we have 40, we have 50, we have 60. That is a cumulative frequency curve. So and we are going to use a cumulative frequency curve and the lower class boundary. So we start with this one from 95 to 104. We have 7. So we come here and we get the value 7 there. Then the next one is 18. The next one is 18. So you have it here. The next one is 33. The next one is 33. You get our 33 there. The next one is 45. 45, we have it there. The next one is 53. The next one is 53. Then we have the next one is 57. 57. This is where we have 57. And lastly, we have 60. We have 60. So this is the ogive. So we are going to join this. And this is going to give us the ogive. This is what is going to give us the ogive. So the graph, the graph that I'm drawing is of an ogive. So you use your free hand to join the points, and we refer to it as erogated S. Erogated S, so that is the ogive. From there we go to part B of the question. We are told use a graph to estimate the interquartile range of the blood pressures. So we come to part B of the question. You have the first quartile. Because we have the total data, or the frequency is 60, the lower quartile is at 15th. You divide 60 by 4, you get 15. So we say 15th. And the value that you read here, if you come to 15, you find that it is 112. 112 point plus or minus 0.5. Plus or minus 0.5. Then you have the third quartile, which will be at 45. 45. That is 45th data, which will be the 45th data will be here. So if you read that value, you will be able to get 134.5, and therefore the range it will be 134.5 minus 112, and that will give you 22.5. So that is the interquartile range. Then we look at part C. Determine the percentage of patient whose blood pressure exceeds 150. If you look at where we have 150, this is 144.5, 150.5, 154.5. It is in between there. So you read the value here, they are 5. So it means 5 exceed 150. So to get that percentage, we say it is 5 out of the total, and you multiply by 100. So that will be able to give us the percentage, which using a calculator you will be able to find it is 8 1/3, 8 1/3, or you can say 8 1/3, or 8, or that corrects that, or 8.33%. So this is percent. So that is percent, or here you can also put percent. So the number of patients that exceed 150 is 8.1/3% or 8.33%. And that's how you do that question from the statistics 2, which you covered in Form 4.